How to get $100 Pizza Hut promo code. Open up a preferred browser on your PC or your mobile device. In the search bar, search for Coupon Follow. Tap on the first suggestion shown to you. In here, you will find various brands dealing with promo code and offers. To search for a Pizza Hut, tap on the search icon and search for Pizza Hut. Tap on the first suggestion shown. You will find various coupon codes that you can use. To never miss out from any offers or coupons from Pizza Hut, enter an email address right here and tap on Get Alert to never miss out any of the offers provided to you. Now you can scroll down and view any of this promo code. If you find any of it interesting, tap on See Details at the bottom. To use a promo code, you have to tap on Copy, or to use it, for instance, tap on Redeem at Pizza Hut. You will be redirected to the Pizza Hut webpage, where you have to go ahead and purchase food items that you want to devour. Simply, when you are checking out, remember to use a promo code, or the chances of it being applied is already there. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.